Welcome. I am Eric Muathe.com, and I greet you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So today, January 10th, 2022, we're going to be taking a look from a purely technical standpoint why BTC just dropped below 40,000 for the first time in many months. And we can see Ethereum also dropped below 3,000 today. And they seem to be on a down pressured move. And let me explain that. Now remember, you can see here cryptos are down, relatively an expanded move downwards. And as I've been saying for many months, if not years, they are just an extension of the stock market. Stock market is also down. All right, let's go. It's going to be a quick video. And to explain this, I'm going to use the 6 months daily. So 6 months daily for Ethereum and Bitcoin. So we can see here, let me start by explaining this. So 0.618 divide by 2, what do you get? You get 0.309 times 100. You get that number 30.9. And of course 30.9, 100 minus 30.9, you get the exact 0.9. You get the exact opposite number, which is 61.8. Excuse me, 69.1. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at being trapped below RSI 30.9. So this is the daily for Bitcoin. You can see today, in fact, over the last couple of days, it's been trapped below RSI 30.9. And because of this trap, the pressure, the momentum is downward. It is the exact opposite effect of what happens when you move above 69.1. You have this bullish period. So if Bitcoin is to recover, the first order of business is to recapture the level above 30.9 for there to be any recovery. And this is a day-to-day chart. So daily chart predicting that on the day-to-day basis, things are still pressed down. You can see Ethereum also on the daily 6 months view since about here at about 38, 3,500 or so. The RSI has been trapped below 30.9. And again, as long as the RSI is below 30.9, the pressure, the momentum is going to be down. This is an aspect of trading I've been talking about for many years. So no surprise to see the momentum continue to push down because of this critical violation below 30.9. For there to be a recovery, Ethereum is going to have to move its daily RSI at the very least back above RSI 30.9. And so it is. I am Eric Muathe.com, and I leave you as I found you, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.